Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to purchase songs from Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari or any web browser. This step is important because you cannot buy songs directly inside the app. Now go to the Amazon website and sign in to your Amazon account. Next, search for the song or artist you want to buy. Make sure you are buying digital music, not a CD. You should see an option that says buy a song or buy MP3. Tap buy and confirm your purchase. Amazon will charge the payment method linked to your account. Once the purchase is complete, the song is now yours. Now let's find your purchased music. Open the Amazon Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on library at the bottom of the screen, then tap purchase. Here you will see all the songs you have bought from Amazon. To download the song to your iPhone, tap the download button next to it. Once downloaded, you can listen to it offline anytime. And that's it. That's how to purchase song on Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.